Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's episode of the vlog. Now today is going to be a very exciting day. Alright, so let me explain to you why I'm so excited today. You see, some of my favorite days are product release days within technology, and right now Apple is about to hold an event and release some exciting new products, so I can't wait to see what they have to offer. The event's about to start soon, so let's just watch this. Alrighty, the Apple event has just wrapped up. They released a whole bunch of new exciting stuff, from iPads that are coming out next month to watches that actually come out at the end of this week. In fact, I think I already have the watches. The first and most obvious change with this new watch is the color. They added a new blue and product red color to the aluminum lineup and made the space gray stainless steel model a new lighter graphite color. I'm actually a big fan of this new blue color on the aluminum watches, and I think it's actually going to match the rumored iPhone 12s, which are also coming in this new royal blue, so I'm super excited about that. They also introduced this new solar loop, which is essentially just a continuous silicone band for the watch, similar to the sports band, but now you would buy it in whatever size fits you based on their printable sizing chart that you can do right from home. It comes in two styles, the silicone and the nylon style, and overall I think it was just a great idea. It's very comfortable and very secure, and I like it a lot. Apple also added a few minor features to this watch which actually make a decent impact when it comes to the health features of this watch. This new watch features an always-on altimeter which can tell your elevation constantly. Apple also added a pulse oximeter which measures how much oxygen there is in your blood. Your pulse oximetry is overall a very good indicator of your respiratory health, and a low pulse oximetry has actually been linked to potentially having COVID-19, so it could be a good potential indicator. Apple also introduced an all-new chip inside this watch, the S6. It's 20% faster than the previous generation model and enables some neat software tricks like a brighter always-on display, making it easier to read outdoors, a little bit better battery life, and the addition of the U1 chip. Now, Apple didn't really talk about this last one, but that U1 chip will enable really accurate positional tracking on this watch, which will be useful when Apple releases their rumored AirTags and new tracking software. But in terms of changes to this watch, that's really all there is. This was a fairly incremental jump, just like previous years. Apple did also release a new Apple Watch SE, which is essentially just the Series 4 with the added compass and always-on altimeter. But essentially, this new Apple Watch Series 6 is the same thing as the Series 5, which I loved. They just simply added some new heart rate sensors and that new S6 processor. Despite those being the only changes, I still definitely recommend it. It is a great smartwatch, and I love my Series 5 and use it all the time. Anyway, with that, thank you guys for watching this short little review, a little bit more vlog style. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button because I'll have a new video coming out every single week. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch y'all later.